Alrighty, welcome back. Okay, Zen, are you wearing your AWS thingy? I am.
Mine's in the wash today. Sorry, man.
That's all good. But anyway, welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another day of coding. So if you're new here, we are road coders. That means we are a team of two developers from Melbourne, Victoria, working on a project which adds persistent storage to Scrambler.ca. If you've been following us recently, we've been working on resolving the course stuff. Uh, we've been working a lot on that lately, and even if we are failing a bit, we are discovering a lot of different pathways which works between resource sharing on the web. So yes, let's start fresh today. And if you guys didn't notice, I got a new haircut as well. So
I was just gonna comment on that one that you're looking good. Brilliant, man. Uh, so just to correct you on something you said earlier on,
yep.
we never fail, we always learn.
Yeah, no, for sure.
All right. So yeah, every time we learn, we are one step closer to success.
Yeah, that's
Right.
true.
So just a bit of an update there. We did speak to one of our really good friends, as in mutual friends, about the cause issue, and he's a really as in talented coder, and um he, as in we really look up to him. So he pointed out that the issue is to do with our Express app and not with the API gateway. So today, what we're going to be doing is looking at what's wrong with our Express app and experimenting some changes until we get it working.
Yeah, for sure. Yes.
Perfect. Cool. So I'll just share my screen now.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I've already got that page open, so that wouldn't be a problem. It would save us a lot of time.
Nice. GG.
Right, cool. So, um, so we already tried to set these headers, as in to the set these on the response. Well, let's. Did we check if this worked on okay?
It wasn't
I
working.
can't
Yeah.
remember. All right,
Yeah.
cool.
So I was thinking, what we can do today is then, like you know how when we stream stuff and it kind of like does slow down a bit. Um, so that being said, what we can do is that you work on your like try to resolve it. I'll work on my end, and like we'll divide the work so that we both are working on it.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah, that's
and we
fine.
can like we can keep like we'll then double our speed if you work on the app as well and I work on the app as well.
Yeah.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
like you can share your screen sometime like for 15 minutes or 20 minutes, and I'll keep googling stuff and experiment
Yeah.
different because we can't just keep on googling stuff and like experiment one thing and like dedicate 30 minutes to it. So I guess we need to increase our speed of experimenting with it.
Yeah, true. I completely agree with you. And for some reason, you read my mind because I was gonna explain that approach to speed up the things as well. But it's
Yeah.
really good that you have the ability of being psychic as well.
Now what's what you told me, Ether.
Yeah, Aoife,
All right. So
brilliant.
yeah, I'll start my work silently as well, and you can do your stuff. Um,
Okay, so what I would want to do maybe is that one of us has to keep talking because
yeah,
that would just bore the viewers. So, do you want to actually? I'm sure. Okay, how about if we do in this whether every 15 minutes we switch? So you share your screen and then you start talking and then I go offline and then keep on doing the work until we get resolved. How about that?
Right. Yeah, we can do that. I guess it's just that I guess we can do more like working today rather than explaining what we're doing. If that makes sense. You know how like streaming has a component of kind of taking it slow and
Yeah.
explain
Okay,
as well.
cool. Yeah,
So like,
I see what you mean.
yeah, even
hmm
if you're doing that, just like speed it up, or like even only if some viewer comments, then only we
Yeah.
can interact with them.
Okay.
But
Cool. Yeah,
yeah,
that sounds good.
yeah. Until then, we just keep googling and keep googling
Cool.
and
Yeah, sounds good. All right,
alrighty.
let's do it.
Mute myself for a second. I'm in here.
Hmm?
I'm just muting myself for 5 minutes. I'm still here.
All right. Cool. Switching root.
I'm just trying to deploy mine real quick. Just giving you an
Okay.
update. Yeah.
Cool. Ah. Are you testing it?
1 second. I'm just updating my CLI.
Okay, because I'll apply another change, and after you're done, and if it doesn't work, then I'll try my change as well.
Yeah, I'm just trying to deploy. Just bear with me for a moment. Yeah, did you get something? Like something good?
Um, I don't know if it's good or bad until I try it.
Oh, right, you're deploying it.
Yeah, because I don't really want to deploy and override your change.
Yeah, yeah. Now,
That's what.
I'm gonna deploy it to mine. My
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Right,
don't
right,
worry.
right. Okay, then yeah, I don't have to wait for you then. Cool.
Yeah, so like that's the whole point of like dividing work, right?
Yeah,
We're gonna be super efficient now.
exactly. Actually, have you got water or not?
Yes, I do.
Cool. I need to get mine.
Mhm. She's unable to locate credentials.
Uh, um, credentials for what?
Just when I do SAM deploy.
Have you made that profile as a default?
Yes. See. I'll try to figure something out.
Hmm.
Oh, I need to do guided. Oops, that's my bad.
Ah, right.
Right, that makes sense.
Hey, Andre.
Hey, Andre, how's it going?
How are you doing, mate?
So today what we are doing, Andre, is that we're just gonna develop our speed. Um, Zen's working on his laptop. I'm working on my laptop, and yeah, we're just trying to Google stuff and try to implement stuff really, really quick so that we can get on top of it quick.
So, in short, what K means that two people are working on one issue, but by themselves.
Yes, Andre. Like we are working on the same issue. Is just that we've been taking a lot of time to resolve the code there. And we just thought like we'll keep experimenting with different stuff so that we can double our speed. How'd you go?
No.
No. Oh, sorry about that. I installed another application, so it does.
Does not have service computer log. Ah,
You get something?
right. Yeah, and a really interesting one.
Yeah, well,
Apparently, access control allow origin, and then a star
yeah.
causes that kind of a problem.
Oh, really? Right.
So I'm just gonna actually, yeah.
Didn't you
So I'm
remove it?
just we did, but it's still in other methods.
Oh,
So I'm
right.
gonna remove that one from other methods as well.
Right.
Um, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Actually, have we got this one? Uh-huh. So remove this one. Then choose. Yeah, that's fine. Let create a new board. Create a new board. This one. That yeah. Cool. Let's check this one out. Problem. The service configured to allow calls. First includes headers the response header. Service contains the correct value with this you can access the service by calls. Selection now by the that this works for simple push requests. Make calls set custom headers. Service may not work. This is due to predefined mechanism on the browser check. Using orange example, you can see this method not allowed. Settings are these. Okay. Before ensuring the required properties checking if the source is correctly prepared is done by checking. So set the methods headers.
Get something?
Uh, work in progress.
Nice. Good job. Okay, mine's deployed on my end. I'll
You
just
know, cool. I will send you this link. See if you can use your pretty quick scanning skills to find out what might be it.
yeah, sure. Send it through. I'll just give my thingy a
Yeah.
go and then I'll look
Mm-hmm.
at it.
Cool. Solution to the budget to set and add the missing headers including the HTTP. Always header always set. Service codes for header set directory. Still not working. It's going to serve now with code the place open. Ah, right. So I need to do that in the header, not the response. Maybe that might be it.
Then
Mhm.
could you guide me for 1 second? Um, what do I need to change in the code to deploy again?
Um, when it changing the code to deploy again. What do you mean?
So it gives me resource not found. So I do I need to change the lambda function or something?
Uh, you probably have to
The
change
table name.
the DB table name.
How do I do that?
Uh, go to the stack itself. Yeah. Go to resources. Take the DB name right at the bottom.
This,
Yes, and paste it in the middleware or backend. Was it in the backend?
that's the back.
Express app.
Yeah. Just let me know where I need to do. Right.
On line, go a bit
The
down,
same.
27. Yeah, there.
All right. Got it. Ready. Okay. Then,
Hmm.
what steps did you used to do to enable core?
So
Create a model.
go to the model, create
Yep.
the model. Hmm.
Yep. Empty.
Hmm. E uppercase,
Okay.
and then in the schema, two curly braces. Yeah, well, hmm that's fine. And then go to resources. Yeah, create method.
Oh yeah.
No. Post, and then go, yeah, give it a lambda function there. It would be on your cloud cloud formation. The first one.
Ready. Yeah. That looks fine.
Hmm.
Default timeout. Oh yeah.
That's fine. Yeah. Now go to method response.
Yep.
Okay, that's fine. It's there already.
Enable.
Yeah. Tick tick. Yes. Yeah. There we go. And now you can deploy it.
Deploy.
Mm-hmm.
Why didn't the options method come in? Oh, there we
It
go.
takes time to come.
Oh yeah, I'm just seeing it.
Easy, boy, easy.
It's fine now. I'll just deploy. Prod. Yeah, probably production. Oh yeah, geez. God, no. This is more like a study session though. Like I feel like I'm studying with my friends in meeting.
True.
Alright, now I'll go to the link you sent me. 18 smells. 18 for the middleware or the backend, Andre? You said that in 9:59, so probably the middleware.
It's me because he can only see my screen at the moment.
No, it's my screen.
Oh, okay. It's your screen. Um, he did highlight that line, and we should be choosing triple equals on that
Yeah.
line, not a single equals. So if you want to change that
Um.
one,
Yeah, I will change, but that way
okay,
we are.
cool. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, thanks a lot for Andres of picking my mistake out again. We're just at the moment focusing on getting rid of the cause issue, and we will be coming back to these cosmetic lines after that, definitely.
See, so the issue right now is in
Mhm.
that the pre-flight is a problem on the first line of home only. Like it's not like it's going in the function. Um, you know what I mean?
What?
Um, the error is on like the first line of home.html. That means that as soon as this whole page comes in, the API isn't responding. Like it's not with just one particular function; it's the whole configuration.
You mean the whole page?
Yeah. So if you see like home at like this place is throwing the error, not a particular function.
But that's in HTML. That doesn't have anything to do with cores.
It's just that this HTML page is trying to access it right in the first go.
I didn't get you.
Mm, you see how when I run it,
Mm-hmm.
my pre-flight response errors comes to home.html, not middleware.
Yeah. So
That wasn't.
you're saying that the error is in home.html then?
I'm saying the error is in the configuration. Like none of the resources are able to access the API. Like so, this page which you see is home.html, right?
Yeah.
So as soon as something tries to access it from here, it throws an error at the first point. So I think like the person which we asked for help today, they were
Yeah.
kind of right that the problem is in the configuration of course.
Yes. And that's what we're working on, isn't it? To
Yeah,
figure out what the proper configurations are.
yeah. No, I just wanted to kind of interested that um, this really confirms that what you
Mm-hmm.
said.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Mm.
That makes sense. Yeah. Hello, that was that. How are we doing?
Hey, that was that.
Okay, we'll go back to that one.
Just seeing if anyone else. Actually, I just want to see, is it only post or every function is causing a problem? So I'll just do a get as well. I'll comment the board on post function.
Include JHP service configuration. Header set directory.
Oh, then
Mm-hmm.
this is so interesting.
What?
Give me 5 minutes. I'll fix it all. Um, right.
Have you hard refreshed it? Because the post isn't supposed to be working, but it's still
Mhm. Post
taking
isn't
that out.
working. I'll tell you what happened. This is so interesting. You should come here and have a look. Um, Only the post method isn't working. This is the get method. It's working.
Yeah, and
And
I
there
know
was a
it's working.
if there was a course thingy, then the whole access should have been blocked, right?
No, because post request
Post access.
has to match the headers and everything, but I don't think that the get one
Yeah. For that
requires all that.
for that matter, can we do like a delete?
A
Uh,
delete for what?
let's try doing that. Actually, I'll do get board by value because it's actually going in the database.
I'm totally missing something here. Do you wanna tell me what we are trying to do now?
Um, yeah. I'm just trying to see if this function is also accessible because this one actually goes in the database. I'm just trying to see what happens there.
Okay, and yeah, right.
I'm just gonna see what happens. I'm just setting out the code basically. Okay, and the state was
Right.
Sorry, Ray, I wasn't paying attention there. I just came back. Have you read the console error? It tells you what the error is. You need to return status code 200. Where do you mean we need to return status code 200, Andre? I'm not sure I get that.
In the response from the in the response, we should have a status code 200 from our Lambda, which is the Express app,
All right. So
and we are doing that. But
um, I, I'll show you, Andre, what we did. Right, this is the Express app. If we go on the first function, we are doing this.
can you go up, Kartik? Because I think you might be missing some code.
Yeah, I didn't get pulled. That was
Oh,
fine.
right. Okay.
I actually wanted to start from where we didn't do what we did today in the evening.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
No problem. That's fine then.
You need to actually you need the actual values set in the payload. Actual value. Hmm, Isn't this what we are sending? Oh, okay. Right. I can do that. Right. Is that how I need to write it, Andre? Exactly like that.
So if that's the case, then we have to send two things in the response: the status code and the board ID.
Yeah, let's not worry about the board ID for now. Um, Come back to it. Just oh, I can do this, I guess. Yeah, should I do this, Andre? Or I mean, oh, you want me to do it in a JSON format? Okay. How about if I just do? Alright, that probably looks like a JSON object, as Andre said. I'll just see. This looks more simpler.
So let's try this.
Hmm. Just 1 second, then I'm gonna watch a small video. Just 1 second.
Go
Or
for it.
if you wanna watch it with me, yeah, I'm watching it on YouTube. Do you want to? Do you wanna watch it, or do you want me to watch it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Right. So I got this link from Stack Overflow. Someone
Mm-hmm.
posted the exact same question, like what we are doing. Um, like they have ID node, they're getting the same error on
Mm-hmm.
local. They're using AWS as well. They enable everything on API gateway. Um, right. This is their fetch function. Um, yeah, that looks. I'm not sure what this is doing, but um, right.
Okay, I want to make this very, very quick video. So let's say you have everything set up in Amazon. Everything is working well. And then boom, course policy block, right? So how do you fix this? So the first thing you do is you type in like AWS course, right? Course. You see it says enabling course for REST API. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, okay? So the reason why this is happening is because there is an error in your Lambda function. You need headers, okay? So you click on headers.
Right, I probably will get this somewhere. So
You copy this file here, and you put it into your Lambda function, like this.
So the status code has to be in the response.
yeah, I'll do that
Put
as
the
well.
wildcard.
I'm just seeing.
Yeah, which Andre was already highlighting.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you see now we can test, and it works.
Right. This is exactly what Andre is saying.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. So hang on a minute. I will do. So this is the response.
All right. So you know how till now we were not constructing a proper response. Now we
Yeah.
need to do it in a proper
Proper
way.
response. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Like in the sense that we'll have a response header, status code, and like a body.
Yeah. Yeah.
So let
Right.
me
Right.
just go ahead and make that on the current app. Right. Let's see. Okay. So I need to construct a response object. Response is equal to headers.
You've got the const or let.
Sorry.
Go to the const or let. Go up for a minute. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Ignore me.
We need a body and we need a status. It's 200. All right. And we can get headers now. The code from this website. Comment.
Send the data.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Sorry. Actually, um, data, right? Yeah.
Hang on, this is the put one, right?
Hmm.
We're inserting the board.
Hmm.
So it should be I think it should be the data.
We were
But just
sending the
confirm
board.
it.
No. So if you look here, we were sending the board ID before,
Board ID.
so it should be the board ID only.
Right. Yeah, do that one.
I'm just gonna confirm one last time. Sales code should be written like this. Yep. 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 Just before I test it out, I just want to test what I currently deployed. 0. That doesn't work. All right. I'll uncomment that. That's fine. Yeah. Status, I won't do it. Status code, I won't do it. Res.send. That's how I need to send it. One sec.
How did you do it?
Hmm.
Can I have a look again?
Yeah.
I think pretty much.
So I
That's
assigned
how.
this to desired response and I didn't send the response.
Yeah, but can you change the bar to a let or a constant?
Actually,
Whatever.
no, it should be res only. Um, I was thinking the wrong way. It should be this only. Let's try
So
that.
why are you sending the okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. That made me realize I need to change small thing here as well. Nope, no returns. Make sure that's deployed. Yeah. Just gonna open a new tab on incognito. Sure. Internal server error. So it's
Go
given
to your
an
lambda.
yeah,
Go to
just
your.
going on it. Yeah.
You probably have to check what the error is.
Where do I check the logs?
Go to viewing CloudWatch.
No.
That tab there.
The last one should be at 10:30. Or I don't know how to read that time. What is this all supposed to mean?
Right, hang on a minute. I'll have to check it. Where's the stream gone? There you go. So you deployed it last time. Yeah, you don't seem to have any errors. Are you sure it's the right one?
Pretty sure. It says internal server error.
To go back to the CloudWatch.
Yep.
Missing authentication token now.
No, that's by that happened by like I tried to do CloudWatch. I'm sorry. Yep.
Refresh it. The streams. Go to the latest one. Here we go. So click on the ball one and one of the error types. So go down.
Yep.
Click on the fourth last one.
All right.
There you go. From there you can see it's a syntax error and it says invalid shorthand property.
Okay. Does it tell a line number?
User function. Check either the 98. Check if that's a valid number.
Yeah.
98.
Oh, it could be because I made something myself there.
Right.
All right. Okay. Is there any other line?
Go back. I would have to check that.
Oh yeah, sorry.
One. No, that's all properly.
All right. Last try.
Hang on. You're sending the response, but in that code, he's returning the response.
Yeah, I guess I'm not sure why, but like we have to send it. I'm pretty sure. I don't think he's using Express.
Okay, yeah, that might be the cause as well. That's fine then.
For that matter, I'll comment on this as well.
That one.
All right. Waiting for change sets to be made. Yes, I want to deploy this.
Oh boy. Nearly there.
Yeah. Right.
Every time it doesn't work, that's how much we are closer to making
Yeah.
it work.
For sure. No response data. Okay, for that matter, let's see if we are getting a response on Postman. Because there's still something wrong. You're getting another internal error.
Check the syntax. I'm pretty sure that's why.
Yeah, yeah, pretty much. Mm, so there's a particular way which Express wants us to do it. We're not doing it that way. Oh, Zen's not here. Right, lead line 93. 93. 193 is just this. All right. Interesting. Hmm. Right. Um. I'm. Oh, I know what's happening here. I copied and I didn't change it. My bad. Let me ask Zen. Where is he? All right, Zen's back. Hey, Zen.
Sorry about that, man.
That's all good. Laptop?
Uh, no, I accidentally closed the the, the StreamYard, and I was
Yeah.
like, he must be on mute now. And then I didn't
Yeah.
really pay attention until I
Yeah.
saw your text on WhatsApp, and I'm like, all right, it's me. It's me. I'm the
Even that happens with me. Like, I thought like you're mute for like 5 minutes.
yeah.
Then I was, hey Zen, what do you think? I'm like,
Okay, I see. So what do I think about what?
um, I think I knew what the syntax error thing was about. Okay, just don't throw syntax error. Let's see. Still a syntax error.
Can you go back to your code?
Yeah. Just you wanna see where the syntax error is?
Yeah, because it won't work unless otherwise.
Hmm.
It's on line 98 now.
Hmm. I'm not sure what it is.
Line 98. Hang on a minute. Log remote method response. Oh, in application.json, you have got one single quote and two double quotes at the end.
Oh right. Just gonna see. But that just happened for now. So why line 98?
It's JavaScript. Yes, sometimes I don't really trust the line numbers. As in,
Hmm.
I, I consider them as a guideline.
Yeah. Andre told me to check 93. I'm still trying to figure out.
Real 93.
Yeah.
Go to 93. What's you trying? Response.
I think I know where we are going wrong. So
Why are you doing response equal to 200?
sorry, where?
Shouldn't there should be status code colon 200?
Oh right. I feel very
Yeah,
dumb.
there we go.
Sorry
Don't
about
worry,
that.
mate. It's all a learning process. No one's dumb. No one's nothing. We all are learning.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, looks promising, I guess.
Hopefully,
Hmm.
hope for the best, plan for the worst.
Yeah. Okay.
Shall I declare something? And no, I won't do it just yet.
Mhm.
Later on, I'll talk. I'll talk to you about that first
All right. Yeah.
offline. It's is it?
I'm just seeing still the error. Oh boy.
Go back
Um.
to your CloudWatch.
Yeah. I'll just see the error, but probably will come back tomorrow then.
Oh my! It's 45 past already.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the fourth last. On promise rejection. res.send is not a function. Res.send error message is not a function.
I think we need to set headers rather than actually doing an equal to.
Here we go.
Was that?
See how he's using the status code?
I tried that. That doesn't work.
Okay.
That's not exactly what we need.
Right. The night is 193 smells.
Yeah. I think I'm not sure how do we create the response object properly.
Probably do the declare another variable, but we can do this tomorrow though. It's
Yeah, let's do
quarter
it.
11 already.
But yeah, we'll do something.
So I think
Yeah,
what the problem is they Andre just highlighted it that we are overriding the existing
Yeah,
response object. So
yeah.
what my idea was to do that, as in create a different variable and then do that. But yeah, we can come back to this
No, I'm
tomorrow.
pretty sure there is a set function. I'll just go to a documentation of Express, and pretty sure there should be some set function
Yeah.
to body. Like that's
Mhm.
the basic thing of an API. So
Yeah.
yeah, I'll just go over the documentation. That's the most helpful thing.
Yeah. Yeah. I think I'm gonna do the same as well because I'm pretty sure we are this close.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
To
Well,
solving it.
I think the strategy works pretty good until we
Yeah.
are not able to resolve Core's error.
Cool. I agree with you as well. As in, we're doing pretty good, and it's all what not to do
Yeah,
in the future. So that's being helpful, and
sure.
Andres supporting us in
Yeah, thanks, Andre.
how much our code smell. That's always good because we need this kind of critical attention to detail as well.
Yeah,
Yeah, so thanks a lot, Andre. Thanks the other viewers. Thank you, Annie Aurora, for tuning in. So we are nearly there, we believe, and hopefully in few
yeah.
days we will manage to fix the error. Have you got anything to say, Kay?
Now I think looks pretty good. Let's come back tomorrow and let's just keep working and let's keep the hard work on.
Cool. Sounds good. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Wherever
Right.
you're in the world, have a good night, morning, or evening. But in terms of Melbourne, Australia, have a fantastic night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Same place, same task, and same play time. I
Same
always
time.
mess this up. All right, guys. Have a good night. Cheers. Bye.